Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is past indefinite tense functions. When do we use the past indefinite tense? For actions that started and ended in the past. For actions that happened at a specific point in the past. For a series of completed actions. For a duration in the past. In when clauses. Now let's look at each one of them one at a time with examples. Function number 1. For actions that started and ended in the past. Let's look at some examples. We wrote the letter. I came late. She bought a dress for herself. They ate their lunch on time. It drank all the milk. He recited the Quran. If this is the timeline, and this is now, all of these actions started in the past, sometime before now, and it ended in the past as well. Function number 2. For actions that happened at a specific point in the past. We wrote the letter yesterday. I came late today. She bought a dress for herself last week. They ate their lunch 3 days ago. It drank all the milk an hour ago. Now, in each of these examples, you can see that time expressions have been used to specify the point when in the past these actions happened. Yesterday, today, last week, 3 days ago, an hour ago. He recited the Quran early in the morning. Function 3. For a series of completed actions. We wrote the letters, sent emails, and posted on social media. She bought a dress, a pair of shoes, and a shawl for her grandmother. They ate their lunch, drank a cup of tea, and chewed fennel seeds before going. He offered salah, recited Quran, and read a few ahadith. Function 4. For a duration in the past. We wrote the letters for 3 hours, and the duration is specified with the help of the time expression for 3 hours. I came late for the whole week. She took 3 hours to select a dress for herself. They ate their lunch in half an hour. It lapped up all the milk in seconds. He recited the Quran for 20 minutes. Function 5. In when clauses. When he came, we wrote the letters for 3 hours. As you can see in this sentence, when he came, this is a dependent clause, and it is called a clause because it has its own subject and verb. When he came, we wrote the letters for 3 hours. When I shifted to my new house, I came late for the whole week. When we went shopping yesterday, she took 3 hours to select a dress for herself. When the beggars were served lunch, they ate it within seconds. When the hungry kitten was given milk, it lapped up all the milk in seconds. When he finished his salah, he recited some ayah from the Quran for 20 minutes. Function 6. For telling stories. Function 7. For past habits and routines. Ali washed his car every Sunday. So this was his routine or habit of washing the car every Saturday. They played Scrabble in the evening. Mother woke up early in the morning. Function 8. For subject and object questions. In some questions, who or what is the subject of the verb? There is no inversion of subject and verb in these questions. Who broke the window? Ali broke the window. Who is knocking at the door? The milkman is knocking at the door. Who painted the wall? The boy painted the wall. Who reached first? Whose writing is the best? In subject questions, we ask about the subject. Let's look at some more examples. What happened to the car? Over here, the subject is the car. What happened in the kitchen? So the thing that we want to find out about is what happened in the kitchen. Cooking was done in the kitchen, or a cake was baked in the kitchen. So we want to find out what happened in the kitchen. Object questions, what are they? In object questions, we seek information about the object. We use the auxiliary verb do, does in present tense and did in past tense. What did Ali eat for lunch? Where did the accident happen or occur? When did the train arrive? How did the machine break? That's all for today. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah for watching the video.